everybody, and welcome to my channel. Minnie's Handbags here. Today guys, I have an unboxing for you guys. I am super excited about this unboxing because this is my first purchase from this particular brand. So if you guys want to see the bag that I picked up and the brand that I chose for another fall bag, then please make sure to stay tuned. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here or if you're a returning viewer, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because guys, it is absolutely free to you, and it also helps me as well as YouTube know that you guys enjoy the content that I am putting out. And to all my returning viewers, thank you guys so much for tuning into another unboxing, guys. So as you can tell from the title, your girl picked up a bag from Kate Spade. Now, Kate Spade is not new to me as far as the brand go, but for purchasing a bag, it is new to your girl. Now, when it comes to this purchase, I have my girl Tamika Nicole over at Curvy Southern TV to thank for this particular purchase. Now, I did see her video where she did an unboxing of this beautiful bag, and I will make sure to not only leave her channel link down below so you guys can subscribe to her, but also the video that I watched, y'all. When I tell y'all, this bag is absolutely gorgeous, and it reminds me of my most recent purchase from Michael Kors, which was my large Nolita. This bag is gorgeous, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert the unboxing, and then we'll come back and take a closer look at this bag.
Sweet love. My sweet love, sweet love, you give me nothing, my sweet love.
All right, guys, so here we go. This is my Kate Spade. And the name of this bag is the 454 large shoulder bag. Now, if you guys watched my most recent What's Hot video featuring the Kate Spade, then you would have known that I mentioned that I picked this bag up and there was an unboxing coming, guys. So let's go ahead and get into this beautiful bag. This bag is gorgeous. This bag is so beautiful, y'all, and this color is gorgeous. Like, my camera is definitely not doing this color any justice whatsoever, y'all. This bag is a nice, beautiful, rich dark burgundy color. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, this definitely screams fall winter vibes, and the suede, yes, this suede is absolutely beautiful. Now, I will be treating this suede bag for sure, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I have noticed that a lot of these brands are giving us some similar shape style bags, and I'm definitely here for it. This is a nice, beautiful, large shoulder bag. Now, here is the tag for the bag. And I did pick this bag up. I believe it was on sale for $189. And if I'm not mistaken, this bag is currently on sale with an additional $20 off, if I'm not mistaken. That's going on the website, Kate Spade website right now, as of October 1st. Now, I don't know how long that extra 20% is going to, not 20%, that extra $20 is going to be going on. But I also know that if you miss out on that one, if you sign up for the Kate Spade emails or text messages, they will email you a $20 off coupon, so you can use that as well too, guys, right? So who doesn't like a good deal? Now let's go over some of the features of this absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous bag, y'all. Now it does come with the gold hardware here on the front. I like the gold hardware detailing on the front. It says Kate Spade, New York, with her logo on it as well too. Now it does come with a little D-ring here on the side where you can add a bag charm if you want to. So I love that little detailing that Kate Spade gave us. The handle on the bag, the top portion is in suede, and I think when I talked about this and what's hot, I mentioned that the handle I think was leather. Now it is leather, but the underside is like a pebbled leather, not the whole entire shoulder strap is not leather. So the top half is in suede and the underside is in that pebbled leather. You do get this beautiful gold buckle detailing on the side. As you can see, it is adjustable. So you get 3 adjustments where you can make a shorter or a more longer comfortable shoulder carry as well too. Now this bag doesn't have any feet on the bottom, but as you can see, it does have that beautiful kind of pebbled leather on the bottom to help protect your suede bag. And like I said before, I will be treating this bag, guys, because I don't want to get the suede on this bag messed up. So let's go ahead and take a quick peek at the interior of the bag before we go into the measurements. Alright guys, so in the interior, if you guys can see that it is trimmed in that pebbled leather. You do get the snap closure. On the back wall of this bag, you do get a zipper compartment as well. You get a leather zipper pull here. And then you also get your Kate Spade leather patch here that is stamped in gold. And then you also get, this kind of feels like a, not quite satin lining in the inside. I don't know if you guys are going to see it, but it does say Kate Spade all over the lining as well too. Hopefully you guys can see it right there. It does say Kate Spade on the lining. And then you also get a slip pocket in that interior back wall as well too. Well, front wall, I should say. You get a slip pocket. So very gorgeous, beautiful, fall ready bag. It definitely fits on my shoulder comfortably. It passes the elbow test, and that is actually on the second setting. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get into the measurements of this bag, y'all. Now, as far as the measurement goes for the bag, the length of the bag, guys, is 13.2 inches. The height of the bag is 16.4 inches. And finally, the width of the bag is 5.2. So this is a very tall and large bag. It does have a nice size bottom on it as well too, where you can definitely fit all of your essentials in it. Now the style number, in case you are interested in this bag, is KM151. Now I do believe, according to the website, you can fit a 13-inch laptop in here, as well as your iPad if you have one as well, guys. Now if you're one that you don't want to carry multiple bags with you when you go to work, like your everyday handbag carry and a work bag carry, then this would probably be really great for you guys. Now it doesn't have to be in the suede material. It can definitely be in the pebbled leather. And I love the fact that this bag does come in 2 different sizes. So you get this large size, but you also get a smaller size if you're not a big bag girly like I am, y'all. So you do have options when it comes to the sizing of this particular bag. Now, so far, I don't have any cons when it comes to this beautiful bag. Hopefully, if I treat it with my leather cleaner, I definitely am not going to have any issues with this beautiful bag. But I do want to take a minute to pull out my other 2 bags that are styled like this to kind of give you guys a really quick comparison. Alright guys, so I had to stand up for this one because these are some pretty big bags. Now, this is my most recent purchase, which is my Kate Spade 454 in the size large. And this is my Banana Republic bag. This is their faux suede in the large. And this is my beautiful Nolita from Michael Kors in the color Safari Green. But I love how even though all 3 of these bags are shaped similar, they're so different. So I love that about each one of these bags. Now, as you can see, the Banana Republic bag is probably going to be the widest of the 3 bags. Here's what they look like on the bottom. I would say the Safari Green Nolita and the Kate Spade in this Bordeaux color are probably pretty spot on when it comes to their sizing of these 2 particular bags. I love how the Nolita comes with the all leather shoulder strap that is that is adjustable on here, as well as detachable. I love the buckle detailing on it. I love the buckle detailing on the Kate Spade, even though you only get it on one side. Absolutely gorgeous. And even though the Banana Republic bag doesn't come with any buckle detailing, that kind of cinched in the handles on the side to just give it its own unique look, guys. All of them come with a snap magnetic closure, and you do get organization in the Nolita. It's only a slip pocket on the back wall, and then for the Banana Republic, you only get a zipper compartment and a smaller slip pocket on the front of the bag. But as far as the Kate Spade, you get a little more organization with this particular bag. Now, all 3 of these suede / faux suede bags are absolutely gorgeous, and I'm super excited to have them in my collection for the fall and winter season. And all of these bags were definitely under $200, so very affordable bags to add to your collection, especially if you're like me and trying to curate a suede collection in your handbag collection, guys. So super excited about that. Definitely stay tuned, guys, because I have a few more unboxings coming your way from Dooney and Burke. I have a suede bag coming from Dooney. I am super excited about this bag, y'all, because this is my very first suede bag from Dooney and Burke. So I am hyped, excited, just ready for my bag to come. I'm hoping it'll be here by the end of the week. So if it does, you guys will be seeing an unboxing for that next week. And yeah, if you don't have a suede bag in your collection, guys, definitely try picking up a suede bag while it's available on the site. A lot of these sites right now are giving us sales that are going on. So definitely pick up a suede bag if you want to try one in your collection. I don't think they're going to disappoint, especially if you treat your bags, guys. All right, so with that being said, guys, if you stuck with me thus far, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, guys. It is absolutely free to you, and it lets me know that you enjoy watching unboxings, bag reveals, talking about fashion and style. It lets me know that you enjoy the content by not only subscribing, but liking, sharing, and commenting down below. Now let me know if you were able to pick up any of these beautiful bags to add to your collection. Once again, thank you to all of my loyal subscribers. I truly appreciate you guys for tuning in. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies on my next video. Bye.